this problem we have Link launching a bomb that weighs 10 kilograms at a 20-degree angle at a velocity of 5 meters per second, and we want to find the maximum height that the bomb reaches. So we know the weight of the bomb, we know the theta, we know the velocity initial, and we know that velocity initial in the y direction will be velocity initial sine of theta, velocity initial in the x direction will be velocity initial cosine of theta, and that the acceleration in the y direction is negative 9.8 meters per second. So we have to find the change in y, which is equal to 1/2 velocity final in the y plus velocity initial in the y times the change in time. And so we know that the final velocity is going to be 0. We know the initial velocity up here is the initial velocity sine of theta. So then we have to find the change of time. So we solve for change of time, which we get vi sine negative initial velocity sine of theta over acceleration in the y direction. But then we take those two equations and put them together. We get 1/2 velocity initial sine of theta times the negative velocity initial sine of theta over the acceleration in the y direction. And it gives us negative velocity initial sine theta squared over 2 acceleration in the y direction. So then we can solve for the max height, which gives us 0.28 meters above the launch point.